Hello and welcome to this video. We're going to work on finding missing coordinates when given the slope. So first thing we have to know is what the slope formula is. M is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now we're going to use this formula because we're given all the pieces of information except one of them. So let's look at the first one over here on the left. We're given the point -2, comma 4 and 10, comma y. So we need to figure out what this y value is. We're given the slope 1/3. So I'm going to put in 1/3 for my slope, and then I'm going to set it equal to, and I'm going to use the slope formula. Now I'm going to let the second point be 0.2 and this first point be 0.1. That way I have a y in my numerator on the left, -4 over 10 minus -2. Now that we've done that, we want to work on condensing it and simplifying it a little bit. So I'll have 1/3 is equal to y minus 4 is over 10 plus 2, which is just 12. So we can just make that 12. All right. Now at this point, I want to use cross multiplication to be able to get rid of this denominator and get rid of the fractions. So I'm going to have 12 is equal to 3 times the quantity y minus 4. And now I'm going to distribute. So 12 is equal to 3y minus 12. Add 12 to both sides. And then we have 24 is equal to 3y. Divide by 3. Y is equal to 8. And that's my missing coordinate. Y equals 8. Now let's do a different one, but this time with an x. So let me switch colors. So I'm going to repeat the same process. -5 over 6 is equal to, and now this time I'm going to use my first point as 0.1 and the second point as 0.1. That way I have an x in the denominator minus 12. And then I'll have 0 minus -15. There we go. Now, next step is to simplify and kind of clean it up a little bit. And I also have this here because I want to put my negative sign in either the top or the bottom. And so I'm going to choose to put it in the top. So when I do that, I'm going to end up getting -5 over 6 is equal to 15 over x minus 12. Now I'm going to distribute, or sorry, not distribute, I'm going to cross multiply, which is going to lead to just some distributing. So I'll have -5 times the quantity x minus 12 is equal to 6 times 15. So that's -5x plus 60 is equal to 80. Subtract 60 from both sides. -5x is equal to 20. Divide by 5. X will equal -4. And so that's how I find a missing coordinate when given the slope. It all boils down to starting off with the slope formula. From there, plug in the information you have, try to tidy it up, and if you need to, cross multiply to solve for the unknown variable. Good luck with this, and let me know if you have any questions.